What was the name of it again?
Sgwd.
Sgwd Eira. Squash.
Squidly.
I don't bloody know. It's something anyway. Something in Welsh. But we're somewhere in the wilds of South Wales, and we are going to be going to Waterfall. That's the one that you can walk behind. Remember, you've seen it on the telly before?
Yeah.
So, I don't know how far it is, about an hour's walk, I think. Oh, hold on, there's a load of mud here now. Right, try that side. Try and keep to the side, over there. Alright, go careful. Oh god, it's a bit squidgy, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, Boo. You alright?
Yeah.
You go in your boot, did it, or nothing?
Yeah, a wet boot.
I can hear the water actually. You hear it?
Yeah, it's that way.
Yeah, so I don't think we're far away now. Oh, there it is, there, look. See?
Oh. Ooh. Come on then, speak then, what do you say? We'll have to do it quite now.
Sgwd Eira, waterfall, whatever it's called.
Squiddy diddly.
It's something like that.
Squiddly
I can't
diddly.
pronounce it.
If you move your head out of the way, you can see the waterfall behind me.
Ta-da!
That's it.
Waterfall?
Woo!
Me! Waterfall? Me! This is incredible. It's actually walking around the back of the waterfall. It's not too wet actually. It's nowhere near as bad as you think it would be. That was amazing. Do you want to come through, try it?
Yeah.
Alright then, come on then.
On the other side of the river now. Went through the waterfall. Very scary going through. Didn't like it at all. Mark's struggling now doing his camera. It's a little bit scary and very, very slippery.
Well, this is good, isn't it? Short drive, and we're now at another waterfalls. Henwood Falls, this one's called. Oh, there it is there actually. But it's not as dramatic, is it, as
No.
the other one. It's higher, a lot higher.
Yeah, but it's not so wide.
Nah,
What's that?
it's 27 metres high. There's no ending. What's going on? There needs to be an ending. What can we do then?
Say
the end.